Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to integrate Beehiv and LinkedIn newsletter to make referral commissions. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so first of all you just have to go to google.com like this, and here you just have to search for Beehiv, and it should be the third link, this one right here. So you just have to go to this website and click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, and here you can check the pricing. So you can get started for free. They give you a custom website, custom newsletters and everything else, or you can get their paid plans, this one right here or this one right here, or you can also create a custom plan for yourself. There's also yearly packages as well, so just look one for you that works the best for you. So yeah guys, just create an account and subscribe to a plan, and then you can just integrate this with your LinkedIn newsletter, and that's how you make referral commissions with these two platforms. So you can also get started for free if you just click on start trial in the top right corner of the screen. And yeah guys, that's about it for today's video. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.